What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to 3D view a place on Google Maps. So the first thing that you need to do is to be on Google Maps. Then what you want to do is to go in right bottom corner and you're gonna click and drag the man-like icon to the desired spot that you want to 3D view, like so. And as you can see now we have a 3D view. Now, if you want to change even the date of your 3D view, what you want to do is to go to see more dates. You're gonna click on it, and in the bottom you can choose the desired that you want to look at. So for example, let's select 2016, and as you can see now, our 3D view is from 2016. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.